What's up, everyone? Welcome to your tutorial for today. I'm going to walk you through the transition of Bakasana to the toe tap press handstand. Lift up, back to toe tap, back to Bakasana, then Vinyasa. It might sound like a mouthful, but this is a very fun transition, especially if you are incorporating press handstands into your practice. Before we get started, please make sure that your body is warmed up. Please make sure that you have built compression for this movement. And if you need more compression drills for press handstands, that is linked in the description box below. Now, in this transition, it might seem a little fancy or intimidating at first, but if you are really comfortable in your tuck handstand or in a modified pike press handstand, this is going to be very available because the pressure of the toe tap onto your forearms is going to help lift your hip flexors up towards the sky. And if you haven't done so already, and I forgot to mention this at the beginning, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button to this page to support the channel. I appreciate you. So we're going to get started in Bakasana. Now this is really about timing and coordination. So in our Bakasana, when we come into the toe tap, we need to shift the gaze from forward into the space between our wrists or our thumbs to help us get that pike press handstand. So, find your Bakasana. Now I want you to flex the feet, switch the gaze, toe tap, exhale, press up, and then flex the feet. Move slowly with control. Toe tap, Bakasana. Flex your feet, Vinyasa. Beautiful, beautiful work. Now again, it really is about that shift and that timing and coordination. Like all transitions from arm balances into any kind of handstand, it requires timing and coordination. Not so much about strength or flexibility, okay? So you really want to be able to get used to this motion of the toe tap and building that compression in toe tap. So from a forward fold, place your hands half a hand's distance away, maybe 3 inches away from your feet. Rise up into the tippy toes. Keep your shoulders in place. Toe tap into the wrists or up on the forearms. Then slowly lower down with control. Take a breath. Now it really also helps to get used to the motion and the movement of toe tapping from Bakasana. This is an excellent way to build that compression required into press handstands that are going to translate across other areas in your asana practice as well. So from Bakasana, place your knees up high onto the triceps, flex your feet, and then toe tap. Come back, toe tap. You can do that for as many reps as you comfortably can. It's really important to connect to your breath in this movement. The press or the toe tap press is really available on the exhale as you drive through the shoulders and drive through the forearms to press you back up. Now with all these transitions, it takes time, it takes awareness, and it takes a lot of consistency to master these transitions. Don't be so hard on yourself if they don't come right away. It's just the way of adapting for our bodies. We have to keep the SAID principle in mind. And the SAID principle states that the more stress that we impose on the body, the more the body adapts to those stressors. So go at your own pace. Again, I have a link to all of my favorite press handstand drills for compression in the description box below. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comment box below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for your willingness to explore, and thank you for allowing me to help assist you in your journey. Thank you.